Some questions and answers. The functions of cells: hour growth, respiration, irritability, movement, metabolism, excretion, and reproduction. Stratified epithelial is the type of tissue that covers the outer surface of the body and provides it with protection. Blood is the connective tissue that provides the body with protection and regulates body temperature. The principal functions of the muscular system are to maintain posture and produce movement. A motor unit is a motor neuron and all of the muscle fibers that it stimulates. Voluntary muscle is striated due to the actin and myosin fibers found attached to the skeleton and is under conscious control. Involuntary muscle is recognized by smooth sheets or layers of tissue found in the digestive system. Is under unconscious control. The biceps are responsible for flexion at the elbow. The flexor carpi radialis flexes the wrist. Pectoralis major flexes and abduct on the arm. The muscles that are responsible for abduction and rotation of the thigh and extension off the hip are called the gluteus maximus, medium, and minimus. The ability to twist the trunk to each side is made possible by the obliques, the muscle that retracts the corners of the mouth into a grimace is called the risorius, the muscle that draws the lower lip and jaw down and form horizontal wrinkles in the neck is called the platysma. The latissimus dorsi adducts and medial irritates the humerus. The action of the rectus abdominis with both sides working is to flex the trunk. The muscle that causes flexion and rotation of the neck is called the sternocleidomastoid. One function of the spine is to house and protect the spinal cord. The functions of the skeletal system include support, gives shape, and red blood cell production. Fibrous joint is a movable joint in features of the skull. Synovial joint, freely moving joint found in the hip. Lymph is formed when plasma seeps from the blood and becomes tissue fluid. The lymphatic system helps the body to fight infection. Lymph nodes are bean-shaped structures covered in a capsule of connective tissue which filter harmful substances. The central nervous system responds to information picked up from the internal and external environment. The autonomic nervous system controls the smooth and cardiac muscle. The basic principles of the endocrine system are to produce chemicals called hormones and secrete them directly into the bloodstream where they are carried to their target organs. The basic principles of the respiratory system are the inhalation of oxygen and the removal of carbon dioxide by exhalation. The basic principles of the digestive system are to aid in mastication, digestion, absorption, and elimination of food. The basic principles of the urinary system's aerofiltration, reabsorption, production of urine, excretion, and regulation of water and salt. The skin helps to keep the body cool by excreting sweat onto the surface of the skin where it evaporates. One important function of the skin is to protect the body from invading antigens. What does the skin produce when exposed to UV light? It produces melanin and vitamin D. One of the main functions of the skin is sensation, which includes touch, pressure, temperature, pain. Sebaceous glands secrete sebum onto skin surface to lubricate and soften the skin and hair. Oils and medications can be absorbed through the skin. Waste products is excretion onto the skin surface. Adipose tissue is a type of connective tissue made up of fat cells. Adipose tissue is found in the subcutaneous layer of the skin. The circulation of blood from the heart to the body and back to the heart is called systemic. Blood is made up of plasma, erythrocytes, leukocytes, and thrombocytes. The functions of blood are protection, heat regulation, clotting, and transportation. Blood pressure readings are a measurement of the force of the blood against the walls of the arteries. Pulse rate refers to the corresponding rate of the heartbeat. Arteries are different to veins as they have thicker muscular walls and carry blood away from the heart. Capillaries are vessels that are one cell thick to allow gaseous exchange to take place for cell renewal. Veins differ from arteries as they have valves and carry deoxygenated blood from cavity back to the heart and then to the lungs.